Somebody asking how we start our love story.
No. No, there ain't. How we started.
How we started.
Oh, FilipinoCupid.com.
Oh. When you found out that I'm
Then
beautiful
you
and
sent
sexy,
me
and you send the
You
interested.
sent me an interested.
You first.
I'm interested now.
No, you first, because you found out that I'm so hot.
No.
Tell me now.
You sent me interested, so I sent interested back.
Excuse me, sir. I'm not sending first. No.
Then why'd you say that you saw me and Kiana in his profile picture?
That was after. That was after
So
the
you
initial
were in love with
contact.
him.
No, that was after the
Your
initial
daddy
contact.
fall in love with me and my sexy and beautiful
You fell in
photo.
love with him first.
That's why I said interested, right? Because you said interested in my inbox. It said interested.
You first? Excuse me.
We weren't able to go back and look this stuff
Okay.
up, right? We're not.
Oh,
Can't.
I never said I'm first interested to the man.
Well, Filipino Cupid did it for you.
Oh.
To initiate the contact.
Oh yeah, I
Well,
received.
that's
Oh,
fine.
this man. Oh, there's somebody interested in me when I checked in his profile. Oh, he's calvo.
Guys, this is over. This is over again.
Yeah, but Calbo. So.
Yeah, but he's handsome.
Just because I'm Calbo,
but
don't mean anything. Calbo is
I'm
sexy.
looking for American, not look Arab, because you look Arab before. Oh, I don't like Arab. And then I read your profile, but he said he's American. But why he looks like Arab? So that's why ching ching ching, and then you message me, and then a nice message, and then I read it. Oh, it looks like he's sincere. Okay, I will
Maybe it
reply.
was I messaged the wrong girl.
Okay, Nina.
Bye.
Okay, back to road.
No,
Okay.
I was playing a game, my clan.
What?
My son, you asked him out because
You
said
don't
you
love
wanted
me.
to.
No, you make me look cheap
No,
on your game.
In the game, no.
The
in
game does it itself. She don't do it.
I don't control it. I can't control
Look at
that.
that.
Come to
Oh, look at that. You're Mullybug in the game, huh?
Flirt then, well.
I can't
Oh,
do
yeah,
that.
you're.
And you wanna know why? You wanna know why? Everybody
grumping out.
else. Dad, you know what's funny? Everybody else is up. You wanna know who was not up? Dad was the only one sleeping in his house.
Oh yeah.
Oh, see?
So like, Dad couldn't do anything.
That's 'cause
you-
you got all these
That is
women wearing me
impossible
the
because
hell
your
out.
daddy always sleepless. Me always is sleeping.
Yeah, no. You're always sleeping.
So that's game is nonsense.
No. It said that you wanted to ask him out. So you asked him out.
No, I'm not. I never do that. Why I need to
No,
do
why?
that first?
You wanna know why? If I press no, then you would be heartbroken, and then you wouldn't be head over heels over him anymore, and then it would not work out.
In your game, you said that your daddy have a crush on me, and then how come
and
that
now
I'm
you had a crush on him back. You had a crush on him.
Oh, yeah? She ended up having a crush back on me.
Yeah.
What's up, girl?
Because you continued talking to Dad. At first, he said he looked.
Make
ugly.
me hard to get there.
No, at first.
I'd go off and... Oh, this one's hard to get. No. Never mind, I don't feel like...
Ay, pingat, you going to flirt to the other girls?
Kumasan, what other girl can you flirt in that game, bro? It's me, Haley, and Kyla. That's weird. Why would you want to flirt with little kids?
Good, you're secure to me. So whether you like it or not, you have a crush on me, only me in that game. No other.
listen, I
Don't
have to
create
remember-
other woman there.
Whatever.
No, so at first you said you thought he looked weird.
No, it's not.
No, that's what the game
That's what the
said.
game said.
It said at first you thought he was weird.
Oh,
And then now you continue talking to him, and then you had a crush on him.
I have a crush on you.
Yeah. Now you guys are dating. And
But
look
you
at
don't
this.
like our love story na.
Our love story.
Huh?
Dad, what the heck are you doing? You left Mommy's son.
Ah, he's always like that in my dreams. He always left on me.
Look, it says Iwish wants company. Dad goes to his house.
Somebody go Iris to his house.
Okay, look, I can take you.
Find out what he's doing in. I know.
He bro's asleep.
This is the wake him up. Kiss him. Mwah, 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 chop, like that.
No, that.
Oh, see, guys, I'm fucking tired. Dealing with all them damn women.
Why you look old there? Yeah, he looks old.
Wake up.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
I wasn't sure at first.
What a boys.
Oh yeah, you gave him a gift, by the way.
Why you need to do that?
Yeah, that's what I need. Sugar mama.
Sugar mama.
Yeah, look at me. I'm a stud.
See, look at this.
No, you're back to sleep again? Oh my god.
You're waking me up.
No, we're taking him out. We're taking him out. Where's Mommy's son?
I'm going home. Broken hearted, crying.
There you go. Make your dad run into him. What the flip, Mommy's son?
He's still in pajama?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Tuck to him.
Oh, Ryan.
There you go. Now
Si
you're talking
Ryan,
to
si
him.
Irish.
Except he's in his
Ooh,
pajamas.
kirirada.
There's me.